Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come and find you.
Did you miss me? Oh my god, did you miss me? You know the deal, bitch. You already know the deal. If I have a wig cap on and no wig on and I'm looking like this, there's a reason. It's the reason that I'm gonna be putting on a wig, basically. The wig that I'm gonna be putting on is from actually Nadula, and it's like a highlight wig. I'm gonna just put it on right now because I look like an egg. You see, I'm in a different area. I'm not in my room or not in my bathroom right now, only because in Los Angeles it gets almost bajillion degrees, and the only like air conditioning I have is in my room. It's nothing that looks like a suitcase. There's nothing in my bathroom, and that's not gonna cut it. So I have to do it in here. But no problem, you can still see me. This wig is like a brown with highlights, like a brown wig with highlights. I chose this wig. She's kind of snug on me. I'm not gonna lie, guys, like I have a big head. Like that's just nothing new, a part of my life, but I always like how finesse. I already plucked it, and I basically tinted my lace with this. It's the Black Radiance Shoe Complexion medium to dark. I do that all the time because it just matches it. I also bleached the knots. I watched a video of a girl do this wig and I realized that she didn't bleach the knots, but the way that it came, sis, like, not saying it came bad, but like I just feel like there's something in me that has to have like my knots bleached. Like it just doesn't sit right with me. I'm planning on to just leave this straight. It's pretty long too, but just for now, because it's like the afternoon time that I'm doing this and I'm not really going anywhere. I'll probably maybe style it tomorrow. I'm not really sure. Y'all know the deal. I'm literally just gonna like not really talk that much and do this wig, put it on, slay it and stuff, and just watch the process. Okay? Alright.
Just don't understand what you expect me to do. Every time you say I'm lying, babe, I was telling the truth. You say that I'm giving nothing, but I give you my youth. Every time you get this way, I gotta be bulletproof. Maybe it's 'cause I'm a fool. I set the table for I set the table for two. Maybe it's 'cause I'm a fool. I set the table for two. breath got caught up in my throat when you look at me. I feel like I'm on the tightrope when you look at me. I don't ever doubt, but you say let's hope. Baby, just give me a kiss, maybe we can go. I just don't understand what you expect me to do. Every time you say I'm lying, babe, I was telling the truth. You say that I'm giving nothing, but I give you my youth. Every time you get this way, I gotta be bulletproof.
Basically, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I kind of just glued it to my head, as you know. I noticed about this wig, it's very much smaller than my head, but I've been in situations like this 1,000 times before. So we're gonna fix like over here and stuff where it doesn't fully connect to my head because I have a big ass head. But for all the big-headed girls out there, I'm gonna just like, you know, show you how to trick out your wigs so you can still be able to wear them and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna just wait probably for an hour or so, do something. I'm not really sure yet. You could during this time flat iron your hair, but I don't know. I'm kind of hungry. I'm always hungry, bro. That's just the real tea. During this time, if you want, you can flat iron your hair, but I'm still debating if I'm gonna do that right now. But I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it seems like I just got back in 2 seconds, but I really been gone for like hours because my mama made dinner and I was like, girl, I'm about to join. Yeah, this has been on my head for a minute now, and I've been playing with it for fun, like looking at my edges and stuff. Okay, I decided that I'm gonna do a middle part only because the way that this lace doesn't fully fit my head, it's actually kind of embarrassing. Like, you'll see like over here it doesn't fully fit, but when I do like it all down, you won't be able to see it anymore.
Set the table for two, maybe it's 'cause I'm just don't understand what you expect me to do. Every time you say I'm lying, babe, I was telling the truth. You say that I'm giving nothing, but I give you my youth. Every time you get this way, I gotta be bulletproof. Maybe it's 'cause I'm a fool. I set the table for I set the table for two. Maybe it's 'cause I'm a fool. I set the table for two. I set the table for two. Maybe it's 'cause I'm a fool. I set the table for you. Table for two. Table for two. Table for me and you. I set the table for two. I set the table for two. Maybe it's 'cause I'm a fool. I set the table for two. I set the table for two. Maybe it's 'cause I'm a fool. I set the table for you. I'm really just an idiot, like you say, 'cause you're the only one I think about all damn day. But now you're going through that old fix again. Feel my chest rip open at the thought that you changed. My breath got caught up in my throat when you look at me. I feel like I'm on the tightrope when you look at me. I don't ever doubt, but you say let's hope. Baby, just give me a kiss, maybe we can go. I just don't understand what you expect me to do. Every time you say I'm lying, babe, I was telling the truth. You say that I'm giving nothing, but I give you my youth. Every time you get this way, I gotta be bulletproof.
Okay, so I know a lot of you guys are gonna be angry at me because I finished my hair, but I had to because my camera died and it's still saying that it's dead or something, but I want something cuter so we can get the final look. But all I did was just put some concealer. I used my NARS concealer and I just put that in the middle and I just straightened this out, but I showed you guys how I straightened it. I don't know how I feel. Like, this wig color is like very matching my my skin tone, so it's, I don't know, I feel like tomorrow I'm probably gonna be like, oh my god, I love this. But yeah, as you see, I basically fixed up the sides where you can't really detect that this wig is smaller than my head. But yeah, this is pretty much the final look, guys. I love you. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you in some way. But yeah, we'll figure out if I like this more tomorrow. But yeah, this was Nadula's hair. Everything will be linked down below, don't worry. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like this has to grow on me. Well, I love you guys. Bye.